Jyotirling is the special boon of Lord Shivji for his devotee, where his devotee felt problem by any curse or worldly mishappenings and call or recall him. He appears there with his divine magical light and power. This magical divine power releases all the problems of his devotee. On the request of his devotee, Lord Shiva seated on that place. That place is become solution-seeking place for everyone. Here I am going to explain about Someshwar Jyotirling. This Jyotirling is in district Gir Somnath near Junagadh in Gujarat. This was the time when there was God's only mind-born creation. Male creation was Rishi, Muni and Dev, and female creation was Devi. Somnath temple was created by the moon. 27 daughters of Prajapati Daksh were married with moon. Moon liked and loved only one daughter, Rohini. The other 26 daughters were felt neglected. They complained against him to their father. Daksh Prajapati tried to release him, but he did not agree. There was no effect on moon. He remained the same. Prajapati Daksh agreed with him at his behavior and cursed him to be caught the disease of Ksharog TB. The moon lost his luster and felt weakness. The whole earth suffered at this disease of moon. He consulted with many angels to remove this disease and curse. At last he was trusted to remove the curse by Pinak of Lord Shivji. He did Pinak by chanting Mahamrityunjay mantra of Lord Shivji. Lord Shivji appeared at that place and gave a boon of increasing his luster without removing the curse. Lord Shivji convinced him that in Shukal Paksh your luster will be growing and in Krishna Paksh your luster will be decreasing. This was the best remedy without removing the curse. The moon felt happy and thanked Lord Shivji. He requested Lord Shivji to be seated in this Pinak place as a Someshwar Jyotirling for the welfare for the coming generations. Lord Shivji accepted his request and was seated there forever. Moon built a golden Someshwar Jyotirling. This temple is situated on the Triveni Sangam. This is the meeting place of Hiran, Saraswati and Kapila river. From this place, Lord Krishna went to his Vaikuntha Dham. Here is Someshwar Kund, where the diseases are cured like TB, leprosy, etc. Jyotirling is